Hey everybody, it is Monday, May 4th, 2020. Just getting ready to start my week here. It is about 11:30 a.m. and 47 degrees here. I'm at home, just getting ready to leave. Glad you joined me, guys. Holy smokes, that was a big rat. I've never seen a rat that big before. I think that's like a New York City rat. Well, I haven't seen any rats around. It's the first rat I've ever seen here, and I've been here, coming to this place here for years, so I don't know. That's a pretty big rat. Anyway, we just did our drop and hook here at Fulton, getting ready to head up towards Vermont. I'm going to be there till tomorrow, so I'm going to stop at the Walmart in Watertown, or maybe Sam's Club, I don't know yet, and get a little walk in around the mall over there. There's a big mall that, of course, is pretty much closed up because of the coronavirus, so a lot of good walking there. I'm going to do that and then probably pick up some things in Walmart and then keep on heading up towards Vermont. Alright guys, so I'm here in Watertown, and I stopped at Sam's Club. I got me 2 cases of water, the big 1-liter bottles I like to get. And then I went in here to Walmart and did a little shopping. But before all that, I went for a walk. I only ended up doing about 1.75 miles because I walked over here to the mall, which most of all the stores in the mall are closed down. I think Dick's Sporting Goods, you can order stuff and then bring it outside to you. But I think other than that, most of it's closed. But I got about halfway around and the security guard stopped me and asked me, was I transiting through to a restaurant or something, or going somewhere? And I says, no, just out for a walk. And he goes, oh, well, if you're just walking, you can't walk here. So I said, well, maybe I'll go and eat afterwards. He goes, well, where's that going to be? And I knew there was an Olive Garden up in the front side of the mall. I said, Olive Garden, I'm going to get takeout. And he goes, okay. And he goes, you can turn around here and head back to Olive Garden. So I said, how about if I take the long way? And he said, no, you can't do that. We don't allow anybody to walk in the mall, on the mall property. So I thought that was kind of strange. But anyway, so I didn't get, I wanted to try to do 3 miles, but only got 1.75 miles. So I came back over here and walked around the perimeter of Walmart a couple times on the outside, and was able to get up to 1.75. But there's too much traffic, too many cars in and around the parking lot to walk, comfortably over here. I don't want to get hit or anything. So anyway, we are getting ready to head out of here. We're going to head up to Lake Champlain Ferry, go across and go over into Vermont and stop at the rest area there at Williston for tonight, and deliver into Waterbury tomorrow. Tomorrow around 11 o'clock or so I'm going to deliver. So anyway, that's what we're doing. Good evening.
Hi, how are you?
Hey. Don't you ever take any time off?
I'm off for the next 2.
All right. It seems like you're always here or somewhere.
You need this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good night.
Number 1?
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you. Alright guys, so we just arrived at the dock in Plattsburgh. Gonna take the ferry across the lake over to Vermont, Grand Island, Vermont. And we had some good timing because the boat's just coming in. Alright guys, so we're all done for the day. That's gonna wrap up today, Monday, May 4th, 2020. We're at the rest area here in Williston, Vermont, taking our break and delivering into Waterbury tomorrow. Everybody take care, be well. Bye for now.